Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some keto cornbread, and we're going to take a pre-made mix, but we're going to add some stuff to it so that hopefully it actually tastes a little more like actual cornbread and not so much like almond flour biscuits. Let's see. So if you want to know what I'm going to do, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I was watching the channel Serious Keto, and he did a review on this. It's the Good Dees corn-free bread, and it only has 1 carb per serving, and there are 12 servings in this bag. But he said, you know, he liked it, didn't love it, probably needed some help with some extra ingredients to make this a little bit better. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and use this, which all you're gonna need with it, I believe, is 3 eggs, some butter, and apple cider vinegar. And then we're gonna add a couple of extracts into it. By the way, I will have all of these linked in the description box below in case you are interested in trying this recipe out. The first extract that I'm gonna use is the Amoretti sweet corn extract. This is a bit pricey, but I have used this before on some other stuff. It's very potent, you don't need a lot of it, and so I don't think you'd be buying this a whole lot, but the first time investment, I think it's 20 bucks or something. It's kind of pricey. The second one is cornbread extract. So by adding the sweet corn extract and the cornbread extract, I think we might be able to make this actually taste like cornbread. So let's go into the kitchen and try this out. Okay, so this said it was going to be 12 servings, but I got 16 squares out of it, so it's actually less than a carb per serving. Woohoo, let's taste it. All right, here it is. Looks like cornbread. Smells like cornbread. Let's give it a taste. That's pretty good. It definitely has sweetness to it. So if you are from the South and you don't put sugar in your cornbread, you're probably not gonna like this because it's definitely got a little bit of sweetness to it. Definitely has the corn taste though, which is nice, like a corn cake kind of. I like it. I think that if you wanted to do this without the mix, you could leave out a sweetener and then you wouldn't have the sweetness, but it's got kind of that cornbread texture to it. This is pretty good. I kind of like it. Less than 1 carb. It's like Jiffy. It's like Jiffy. Much better with the extracts in it, for sure. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Try this. I think you'll like it. Okay, there you have it. Keto cornbread. Hopefully you can use this with chili or on a holiday or just a weeknight when you want to whip this up. And you can probably tweak this recipe and not buy the actual Good Dees mix. But one of the nice things about having that is that a lot of keto recipes, I mean, you gotta make them all from scratch, and it's kind of nice to have something a little convenient, even if it is 12 bucks to buy it. So, you know, it's just an alternative, but I will have everything linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.